What's up guys, welcome back to Dynamic Tech, and today's video is going to be about how to optimize your graphics card experience, especially for NVIDIA users. Whether you are a gamer, a video editor or a 3D designer, everyone nowadays needs a good graphics card, and if your graphics card is not performing well, then you are not performing well as well. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the very first step is always the better driver finding and downloading it. So everyone knows how to download drivers for NVIDIA. Simply need to type NVIDIA in your browser and you will see official drivers for NVIDIA site. And you have to navigate to this site, and here put in your graphics card's type rights. And here you can see my graphics card is Quadro series of Quadro K4200. And my operating system is Windows 10, so I will choose Windows 10 64-bit. If you want to check out which has the version of your Windows, so you can minimize it and you can open the properties from this PC. And here you can see the operating system of your processor and the operating system version. So here you can go back to the website, and here you can also check out which graphics card driver version you want to install. For the video editors, I would prefer Production Branch and Studio, and for the gamers, I would suggest New Feature Branch. You should choose this one for the gamers and Production Branch Studio for the video editors, and also the language as you prefer, and then click on search. And here is the best version for my graphics card, which is K4200. So click on download and your download should be start in a minute. And then you should upgrade from NVIDIA GeForce Experience for GTX users or RTX Experience from Quadro users to this simple NVIDIA app. You can find this on this website of NVIDIA here. You need to type NVIDIA app and you will be directed to this site. Here you can see this app is the latest app of the NVIDIA Corporation, and it is well optimized for the gamers and the editors as well. So you need to click on this download beta button, and this will start the download. After upgrading the drivers and installing the NVIDIA app, you need to tweak and adjust the settings best for your computer in the NVIDIA control panel. So yeah, let's open up the NVIDIA control panel first, and here you can see this window shows up. I will explain and try to tweak these settings later, but first we need to go to the tab here saying set physics configuration. Click on that here, and from here always choose your graphics card here. At default it's selected to auto select or from computer, so you need to make it to the graphics card so it can use your graphics card only for the physics and your computer is not bottlenecked. And then you need to go to adjust image settings with preview, and here we need to change different settings for the different users. If you are a video editor, then this settings here does not affect you as much as the driver upgrades. And if you are a gamer, then I would suggest if you play multiple games at a time, you should click on this use my preference emphasizing, and you should keep it to the balance, because you need graphics and performance both as well as a gamer. So this is the best option for you gamer guys. And if you are a gamer and you need more FPS and you can also invest some time finding the best tweaks and settings, then I would suggest you to go in the use advanced 3D image settings, and here click on that take me there button, and this will take you to the advanced settings here. Here as you can see, image sharpening is turned off as well, and ambient occlusion should be turned off according to your performance or quality. So I would suggest it to keep this on performance if you need good graphics, and if you want only performance, then click on this off button and it will be kept off. And in the anisotropic filtering, 4x is good for graphics and performance as well. And for the anti-aliasing, you should keep this Apex AA on. And if you're using any games anti-aliasing, which is MSAA, please turn that off and turn on the FX AA settings here. Gamma correction is okay. These all settings depends on whether what graphics or performance do you actually need. And here this setting is very crucial, which is CUDA GPUs. Click on that and set this always to the graphics card. And if you're using two graphics card, please make sure that you use it on the NVIDIA version and use all of it. And after that, you need to check the max frame rate you need, low latency mode. It's all always dependent on user's need. So yeah, power management should be controlled by you actually. So I would suggest prefer consistent performance for the computer users and the optimal power for the laptop users, because battery drains down fastly when you're using prefer consistent performance. So that's why it's for computers and it's for laptops as well. And after that, we need to make this share cache on, and then you have this setting here which is texture filtering. Yeah, it's on clamp, so it's good. Texture filtering quality should be high quality according to me, because it does not take much of your graphics card, but it gives you a good amount of graphics visually as well. So yeah, this setting should be kept on quality or high quality, and if you are using very low graphics card, then you should put this on performance or high performance. So yeah, I would go with the high quality version here, and here you can see threaded optimization is on auto. You should keep this on auto. Triple buffering depending on you. Triple buffering is a thing where your game drops your FPS to the half actually. So if any game is giving you very low FPS, then you should enable this, and if the game is around 40 to 50 FPS, then you should not enable this one. Vertical sync to the 3D application dependent always, and virtual reality pre-rendered frames. I don't think we need this, because if you're using any VR, then you need this, but if you're using not any VR, you can use this 3D setting, application setting here. So yeah, these were the settings pretty much to make you a good graphics and performance bundle. So these were quick tutorials for how you can make your NVIDIA GPU faster and increase its performance. Hope you guys found the video helpful, and if you did, then click on that like button and also subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. See you in the next video. Take care.